Welcome to the YouTube channel named as CAT2IIM. Don't forget to subscribe the channel if not done yet, so that you don't miss out important series like these relevant for CAT and OMETs. We're going to look at discussion of quant questions, pure the logical way. So we have to think logically, we have to think differently. And we assure you, if you follow this series from zero to hero in maths, and you will be very, very fast in answering the quant questions. You'll be getting new video every week. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. You can look my credentials out here. So my name is Manoj Mahajan with 22 plus years of experience in the CAT industry. CAT QA percentile 99.97. CAT LRDI 98.81 percentile. ZAT QA and DI 99.98 percentile. I've been the number one faculty also with the leading CAT coaching institutes. So do make sure that you subscribe the channel. You can look forward to join CAT2IIM Telegram group for latest information, motivational stuff, and free material. So in the series, we are going to go question wise. So today we are going to discuss the first question of the day. And the idea is to purely do with the logical way. So I'm not using any equations out here where a lot of students, a lot of aspirants are going to use equation. So my objective is not to do a mathematical way, the quant way. It's pure logical way. So we are going to answer this problem in less than 30 seconds. And definitely such kind of problem you can expect in CAT and the other exams. So let's see what is the way out. So read the story out here. In a car race, car A beats car B by 45 kilometers. So I'm drawing the picture for all of you. So let's say A is at the finishing line, B would be 45 kilometer behind. Did you get this? And car A beats car C by 90. So if I draw in the same picture out here, where would be C? C would be 90 kilometer behind A. So that is the story we are talking about. Now, if you look, another thing is given, car B beats car C by 50. So when B is at the finishing line, the car C would be 50 kilometer behind. So once you get the idea of how to solve such questions with a logical way, you would be very fast than the other aspirants. And make sure that if you do like the solutions, do comment in the comment box, do like the video also, and share with the aspirants also. So if you look over here, the logic out here is, we're not going to use any equations out here. So can you understand that the gap between A and C was 90, between A and B 45. So can I say this gap I can calculate, that is 90 minus 45. So what is this gap? 45. Now you know that the final gap between B and C was 50. So from 45, it became 50 when B reached the finishing line. So what we can put is the gap between B and C, right? Got increased by 5 kilometer, and for which B has to travel how much distance? B has to come to the finishing line. So B has to travel 45. So can I say for gap to increase by 5 kilometer between B and C, B has to travel 45. So if I want to get the race length out here, so look, at the starting B and C are together, no gap between the two. Finally, the gap is 50. And to create a gap of 50, B has to run the entire length of the race. So if I say that the gap becomes 50, I can use unitary method out here. So this becomes 10 times. So B has to travel how much? That is again 10 times of this, that is 450. So your problem is done. The length of the race is 450. So you can look forward to answer such problems which have been a part of CAT in the past also with such a logical way by thinking differently. So do follow us on the YouTube channel CAT2IIM. We'll be coming up definitely with new videos every week. Do join the CAT2IIM information group. Do share Do comment, do like. Thank you so much.